Hi, I'm Ashley with Mouseflow. Today we're going to discuss the different types of friction events that are available in Mouseflow, why they happen, and why it's important to track friction events. Right now, I'm logged into the Mouseflow platform, and you can see here the list of various friction events. You can find friction events under Session Replay and under Recorded Sessions. So let's talk through the different friction events that you can find within Mouseflow. I will be using Mouseflow.com as an example today. The first one is click rage. If a user is clicking excessively in a short period like this, we will automatically tag the session with the click rage tag. Click rage can identify if a customer is gravitating towards a place they believe is a call to action, but it's not. The second example is click error. If a click triggers a JavaScript error, we will automatically tag the session replay with the click error tag. Click error tags are important because they will be able to show you if there are any call to action buttons that are not working as they should. The next one is called bounce. If a user is navigating from page A to page B like this, and then they return to page A within a short time frame, we will be able to tag that recorded session and label it bounce. The bounce tag can help you understand your site user's thought processes on your site. The next one is speed browsing. The speed browsing tag is applied when a user is navigating through multiple pages within a short time frame like this. This is important because it identifies if users are interested in the content of your page or if they just want to quickly find the information that they're looking for. The next friction event is mouse out. Mouse out is when a user's mouse is leaving the page to interact with another application or tab. This is important because it will show whether the visitor lost interest or maybe they just weren't captivated by the website. The next one is submit failure. This happens when someone tries to fill out a form and submit, but fails to do so. Those sessions are tagged as submit failure, and they are manually configured through Mouseflow's JavaScript API. There will be more information on this in a separate video. The last example is custom friction. This is any friction that's defined by you and your colleagues. This could be when someone gets the 404 error page. This could be when someone interacts with your forms or when they've clicked on a certain element and a pop-up was fired. This is basically any event that is unique to your website's touchpoints and conversion process. This is very easy to set up, and there will also be more information on this in a separate video.